So now you have a system where you're driving traffic to your squeeze page, you're building a list, and at the same time, you're generating commissions through your CPA offers. And CPA offers can pay as much as $100 or more. So you're well on your way to generating income online. But one thing I want to mention is do not forget about your list, to treat them right. Some people build a list and they don't even email their list. I email my list almost every day if I can, and that's resulted in the majority of my income actually. So that's the purpose of this video, is just to remind you to, hey, you've got to email your list, promote some related affiliate products. If you're looking for affiliate products to promote, there's a lot of affiliate networks out there. There's ClickBank, there's JVZoo. Basically, you could just do a Google search, and there are several other affiliate networks. It doesn't have to be CPA offers. It could just be products that you could promote and generate commissions on when they buy it.